Hey guys, today I have with me Samsung Galaxy M32. The smartphone offers a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 411 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Samsung Galaxy M32 has a bezel-less notch display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and the volume rocker. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy M32 comes with a quad camera setup. On the bottom, you'll see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Samsung Galaxy M32 comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M32 offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by a 25-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 20-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy M32 is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy M32. Thank you so much for watching this video.